YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a Dollar Tree haul, tiny but small haul. And I want to say thank you for stopping by my channel. Welcome if this is your first time. You are always welcome to come back free of charge. Boom. Anyway, make sure you hit the like and notification button if you'd like to see more. And I'm wishing you well. So, just went real quickly to the Dollar Tree to get one thing, and you know how that goes. But I did pick up these. They didn't have those the first time, or one of those times that I was there, so I picked those up. And these have stickers, the puppy sticker on the back. These was a different set of XOs and hearts. Yeah, it says Valentine, I think, yeah. And some of these, but most of them says XOs and stuff on it. Just different pink and reddish color pencils. And then I did get the twine, just because I really wanted the red. And I picked up some little skinny washi to use in my planners, my scripture writing planners. And so, yeah, so it's got 5 in each. And these are just really nice. And I really like that black and white one, that little, it's got like a little tribal feel or something to it. That's why I got that one. I like that. And I like just the geometric. So anyway, I got those two. And then last but not least, they had some seed beads. And so I was like, okay, let's see what we got. So I did get some of those. So we had some of the bigger, kind of like pony beads right here. And you can see it's multicolored. It doesn't say like how much is in here. But anyway, different colors. And then you got the small, tiny seed beads, of course. And had the little sticker since you were 18. These were from the Czech Republic. Yep, Czech Republic. Okay, and then you got your white seed beads. You've got your black seed beads. Now your yellow has a mixture in here, so it's got some white and some of the, I forgot the other name of them, but they're seed beads too, but it's more like a glass look. So it's got different shades of yellow, like an opaque yellow, white, and then a glassy, a goldish color. And then we see that same thing repeated in the pink. We've got various shades of pink, pearlescent type in here, and then some glass looking ones as well. So different gradations. Then we've got the bigger ones here in the blue, all one color. We've got some more like iridescent. There's a few of them here that are larger. The majority are small, tiny seed beads, but there are some ones that are larger in here as well. So you do have a mixture there. And then we've got the greens, got your different gradations in here as well of your greens. And hopefully you can see all those differences up there, up close. I think I held them up as close so you can see that. But that light's too bright right there. And then the last two. And this is, you know, you got your sienna and beige and some different shades of chocolate or whatever, but you got more of a red brown, so it says sienna colors in there. And then last but not least, this is pretty much all like a sienna or chocolate, whatever you want to call it, brown. So these are the 10 that I found at my store. I haven't seen them anywhere else. Well, I didn't go to any other Dollar Tree, so to even look. And I have 2 on the same road, opposite directions. They're actually like 2 miles apart. And I just went to one and didn't go to the other because I need to go eat. But anyway, that was what the seed beads. And then I picked up these 2 little glasses for a project. So anyway, that is my Dollar Tree haul. Thank you for stopping, watching, liking, and guess what? I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.